In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a recurring membership on Kartra. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a standard product into a subscription with clear pricing and cancellation rules. First, open your Kartra dashboard. From the main menu on the left, click Sales, then choose Products. This takes you to the list of products you've already set up. Select the product you want to convert into a membership. If you manage multiple offers, double-check you're in the right product so the changes apply where you expect. Inside the product editor, head to the pricing section. You'll see your current pricing configuration. Click Change to adjust the payment structure. In the pricing type options, select Recurring. This is what enables ongoing charges for your membership instead of a single one-time payment. Next, add a clear price description. This is customer facing, so make it obvious like monthly membership or annual access, so buyers know exactly what they're purchasing. Then set the price amount. Confirm your currency and make sure the figure matches your offer and any promotional pages you're using. Now define the recurrence. Choose how often your members will be billed, such as every month or every year, and whether it continues until canceled or ends after a specific number of cycles. If you want to charge a setup fee or create a paid trial, enable the initial payment and enter that amount. This is a one-time charge that happens before the recurring schedule starts and is useful for onboarding fees or low-cost trials. If you have multiple price points or plans, mark this one as the default price so it's selected by default at checkout. Finally, set your cancellation behavior. Instant cancellation removes access immediately when a member cancels, while delayed cancellation lets them keep access until the end of their current billing period. Choose the option that matches your policy and support workflow. When everything looks good, click Save. Your product now runs on a recurring billing model, ready to sell as a membership.